Well, Scotty does them on the floor on the seat clamp, and it's fast. Look at that. Are you getting some brackies done?
Yeah, just kind of snugging everything up a little bit so I can make sure I've got everything in its perspective spots.
Perspective spots, huh?
I know, big words, big words, big
We're
words.
using fancy words up in here.
I know, right? I got them edumacation thing going on.
Anyway, getting the brackets done, cranking it out quick. All the studs are done. Let me see your studs. Oh God, it's always inappropriate with Scotty. Anyway.
And it'll never change.
No. Oh well.
I'll be 100 years of age in a home, and some hot whatever nurse is gonna walk by me like, I can pull my teeth out. Just saying.
Oh, you're talking about a male.
Burnsy heard that one.
I didn't hear nothing.
Anyway, so brackets are going in, getting it done, moving on, cranking out. I have part numbers and pricing for you, Bill, on your transcooler stuff. It's actually pretty low cost, pretty easy peasy. So I'm gonna get a hold of you here in a little bit with all this information.
Yep, and we'll get y'all taken care of.
Yeah, we're moving through.
You know, depending on what happens, we may actually be
Ahead of the game today.
well, I mean,
The transcooler lines, if we order today, they're gonna ship. They'll get here probably Wednesday, depending where they're coming from.
so we're within 2 days of the exact date he wanted that we're all hoping to have the
I know
contract
he's
come by.
gonna be here this weekend.
Right.
And then we talked about it yesterday. I can't remember. I think it's not going to be till after Christmas. But if we can get it out and get it done this week, we will.
Yeah.
If not, I mean, I'm sure I can set it up to go drop it off at his house.
Oh yeah, I mean
Whatever.
that's not an issue.
Yeah. I mean, he lives right by me. So.
Yeah.
All right. So moving on.